Hey guys, I'm here in Clinton, New Jersey at the Red Mill Museum, checking out this Corvette car show. I'm pretty excited to go in there. So I know there's like hundreds of Corvettes in there, all different years. Can't wait to check it out. Have a great time, guys. You guys judging? You judging? Perfect weather. What's that? No, I just reached out. Awesome. Complete rebuild in that book, huh?
Yes, my husband did that. I didn't do that.
Oh, yeah. But you were a part of the process.
Oh yeah, I
in some way.
I supported
Yeah,
him.
you supported him.
Coffee and lunch.
That's good.
Went
That's
to
good.
car shows with him. Up to the parts of the car shows.
Yeah, yeah. Is he here? Beautiful car though.
But
Unbelievable.
this is his baby.
This is his baby? Yeah. Wow. Yeah, this is one of the finest ones here, I think. Is it for sale or no?
Well, I will have to sell it eventually.
Yeah.
Because if I sell my house, I won't have any place to keep it.
Yeah, yeah.
Because right now it's in a
it's being stored.
It's been stored in my shop.
Yeah.
Heat control.
You threw in the river right here.
It's awesome. It's beautiful. This is yours? Yeah? Awesome. I almost thought it was a 53 at first. I'm like, oh my God, I get goosebumps.
Made the first half of 54, so for all intents and purposes,
It's pretty much. It's the same car, right?
even a lot of the part numbers say 53.
They do?
Yeah, they were using what was left over. You know.
That's awesome. Such a cool design.
The rocket age.
Yeah, definitely. Everything, all this, even how the tailpipes come through the body like that. That's so cool. Well, they sent it through the bumper in the later years, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, like right there.
Yeah, exactly. Yep. It's so cool. You can see the evolution, right? It's so neat. Very cool. Did you repaint it or?
No.
No. It was like this. Is this the original color?
Yes.
Yeah. Awesome. That's perfect. It's beautiful.
They did offer a few colors that year. Blue, red, black, and white. But
Just a few colors.
most of them were white.
White. Yeah, it's classy. Not for sale though, right?
No.
No. At least not yet. For a while.
Someday it will.
Someday.
Yeah, when I drop them, my wife will sell it. She'll have an ad in the paper before I'm cold.
I don't know. Beautiful Stingray. It's awesome. Yeah. This is yours? Yeah, I mean 72?
Yeah, he's here with his wife. I don't know where he went.
And the 72 still had the chrome bumpers front and back.
Yes.
That's the last year? 73 is the last.
You kept the back, the chrome back in 73, but you got the rubber front.
The rubber on the 73, right, in the front.
73 and 4 are different than the 75 and above, because 75 and above got this black bar, but if you look at a 73, it's just kind of flat there.
Right.
They didn't add like the bumper.
The safety requirements were...
so they changed a lot.
Yeah,
those years.
that's awesome. This is a great example too. This is a 75, you said?
78.
78.
Yeah, 78. Silver anniversary.
That's so cool. Classic wheels.
Yeah.
Awesome. Very cool. How long have you had it?
Since 2020.
Really? Oh, wow. Oh, you got this at Meekum?
Yeah. Well, we bought it off somebody who bought it at Meekum in Harrisburg.
Oh, okay. Cool. Oh, it's awesome.
Still had the Meekum stickers on it.
Oh, it did?
I feel like I got it.
Very cool. The little
Yeah, it's
rotating
got a-
platform's a nice
it's got a
touch.
working 8-track player, believe it or not.
Oh, it does? It works still? What do you got in there? Van Halen.
From the same year.
Very cool. That's classic. I never thought in a million years I'd say Van Halen's a classic, but it's a classic now.
Yeah.
We
So.
listen to it all the way here.
Very
The
cool.
whole album. Took up the whole ride. The cars we got.
Cars.
So, well, we have. He kind of got a collection when we got the car, but now we keep. So if you got the 8-track player, I can show you in the glove box.
Yeah, definitely.
Option of 8-track player.
It's got storage?
Storage in the glove box.
Oh, I gotta see this.
Everything, every big classic rock album that came out in '78, we basically have in the glove box. There you go. You can see.
Sticks? Awesome. I was just thinking about sticks just this past weekend. Oh, that's so cool.
So we get to choose, pick and choose.
You guys have a 23-year-old son who's into that music.
Into that music
Yeah.
now?
It's crazy, but I love it.
My older daughter's listening to Led Zeppelin. She's listening to Fleetwood Mac. She's
Yeah.
listening to, like, I was like, this is great.
Yeah.
My wife and I are taking my 2 kids to see the Eagles.
The Eagles? Oh, that's so cool.
See the Stones.
It's worth the trip, worth going.
For sure.
Well, congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Appreciate it.
This is really cool, though. How much are you selling it for?
Well, I have it down for make offer. I had an offer of $30,000. I turned it down.
Yeah, I would think you can get more than that, definitely.
Yeah, it's got every factory option to it.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, it's a 3LC with everything you could order from at that time. Yeah, I've got the build sheet.
Oh, you got the build sheet here? Oh, jeez. You're getting a lot of car, you know, for whatever. I'm sure, you know, if someone offered you probably, I don't know, 40 or something?
MSRP was
60. Well, how much was it? It was 60 something? Yeah, with the options, 68, and then out the door, 69. Wow. It's beautiful. show, man. Yeah, you got a good turnout for sure. I was telling those guys back there, this is a perfect spot for them, right? You know? So.
You can pet them and cook them.
I can pet them?
Yep.
Yeah. Hey.
They're going to be 4 months old on Monday.
4 months? Aww.
They're twin
How you
brothers.
doing, buddy? How you doing? How you doing?
This one is more chilled. That one's a total deal. He gets pissed if you pet this one.
Yeah, gets jealous.
Oh, yeah.
I think he's done with the car show.
Don't buy expensive toys. Play with the bottles.
It's like when your kids love just playing in a box.
Yeah.
Right?
Spend hours putting it together, they like the box.
Yeah, exactly. Bosley? Hey, Bosley.